If an enemy pilot accidentally landed on a U.S. aircraft carrier, what would happen? Picture this. You're a Japanese pilot returning to your fleet only to realize way too late that you're about to touch down on a U.S. aircraft carrier. This actually happened during the Battle of the Coral Sea. Two Japanese pilots were flying back, thinking they were headed for their own ship, but instead, they were lining up for a landing on the USS Yorktown. The American crew spotted them and panicked, rushing to prepare their defenses. One pilot realized the mistake just in time, gunned the throttle, and escaped. But the second, he kept circling, clueless about where he was. The Americans hesitated. They weren't ready for an attack. Then, suddenly, all hell broke loose.